All right, wheel number 2 on the Escalade V. Just curb rash right here. Again, I'm just going to sand this out, 220 grit, then paint and clear coat. While I'm getting set up, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, maybe checking out the links in the description below for the tools and products I use. I'm going to get started on this one. So yeah, this is fairly deep, but I can still sand it out. It's not so bad that I need to use the grinder on it. Alright, got the damage out, and I'm going to take the 1500 grit scuff pad and go over all my sanding marks here. Just wipe the dust off. And then this is the Dark Hyper paint. I believe it's linked in the description below. If not, it will be shortly. And then we'll finish it off with the clear coat.